Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to change a device's name. So to change its name, you'll have to open this Google Home app, then access your Google Home device here, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can change its name here. Just erase this default name and you can name it as you wish, and then tap save, and after that device's name will be changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.